Hey friends, it's been a long time, but I'm back with a new video. I was able to visit with my dad this weekend and chat about the car, things we want to do. And he also gave me a bunch of tools, some to keep, some to borrow. So I'm going to go through the score and let's see what we got. So he gave me this cool Black & Decker Project Center and Vise that is collapsible. So that is awesome. It's going to come in handy for a lot of the projects that I have going on. I'm always working on some sort of project. We got another set of jack stands here, which is nice. So we'll have 4 jack stands now for safety, which safety is always like super important, everybody. And check this out. This is pretty cool. This is gonna come in real handy, hopefully sooner than later. But a whole spray kit. You can use this for, looks like, a gajillion different things. Obviously thinking about the car, but I also attempt to build and finish guitars. The finish part is the part that I attempt. The building part I can do. So here's that nice spray gun. Looking forward to using that one. And here, since I'm going to be doing automotive work, all I have is a 18-volt impact driver. Dad gave me this big-ass mamma jamma, which I can barely hold with one of my spaghetti arms. It's an impact driver, impact wrench. This is going to be awesome, especially when doing tire stuff. Alright, what else did we get? Got a nice little corner detail sander, which is going to be nicer than my old Harbor Freight model that I had. And then also a battery tester that he got for me. That was another one of the keepers. We're going to take a look. He gave me some other stuff to hold on to and to use to do some of the tests that we're going to be doing here pretty soon. Here we have 3 cases of drill bits. Awesome. Can never have too many drill bits. Alright, now this is the box that has all the gauges and stuff to do a lot of the tests. So this is a cylinder leakage test kit. We've got some other cylinders, like a spark plug compression thingy. There's some other stuff, and then I also have a radiator testing kit. So all those stuff my dad was so awesome to let me borrow. So really looking forward to being able to go and do all of these tests on the car and hopefully make some diagnoses. Alright, well, it's hotter than heck. I was going to pull the spark plugs, but I think I'm going to wait and do that maybe tomorrow morning. I'm already sweating, and this was just unloading the tools into the garage. So that's it for today. Talk to you all soon. Peace. One last thing before I go in today. Haha! That's going to work. It's a little crooked because we're half on, half off the grass, but it's going to work. It's going to keep me shaded. It's not going to be today, though, because I am hot as heck. Anyway, once again, peace.